nature have lived in harmony since ages. But with time, synthetic products made inroads with far-reaching consequences. In recent years, the realization of side effects of synthetic materials has renewed interest in natural products. Being a treasure house of biodiversity, agriculture continues to be the mainstay of Indian economy. Among natural products, gums and resins derived from plant exudates and seeds have wide range of applications in food, confectionery, pharmaceuticals and so on. Lac is the only resinous material of animal origin produced by plant-sucking bugs, popularly known as lac insects. India maintains global leadership in the production of guar gum, karaya gum and lac. The R&D requirement of natural gums and resins is addressed by the Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums or IINRG, located at Ranchi. It is the fourth oldest institute of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, the apex organization for agricultural research in the country. IINRG was established as Indian Lac Research Institute in 1924 to exclusively address lac production, processing and application development. The mandate of the institute was expanded in 2007 to include other resins and gums from plants produced in the country. With redefined mandate, the scope of research now includes processing and application development of plant resins and gums, besides conducting basic and applied research on all aspects of lac. The institute addresses its mandate through three well-equipped research divisions, addressing all aspects of the value chain of gums and resins, from production, processing and utilization. Lac being an important source of livelihood for farmers, especially in tribal areas, the Lac Production Division is a pioneer in lac production technologies. These include the management of lac insects and their host plants for productivity and sustainability, production systems and improvement of the lac insect and its host plants. The Biotechnology Lab, with state-of-art facilities, helps in use of molecular tools for characterization and improvement of lac insects and their host plants. The division maintains the largest live lac insect collections in the field gene bank. It is also the National Lac Insect Germplasm Center. The Institute Research Farm, spread over 36 hectares, provides the experimental area for development and testing of lac production systems on different host plants. The Institute is also the National Active Germplasm Site for lac host plants. The Process and Product Development Division was specifically created to undertake research on processing, value addition, product and byproduct utilization of natural resins and gums. The division aims primarily at entrepreneurship development. Over the years, this division has given many technologies to the industry. These technologies include lac-based surface coating compositions, adhesives, sealants and fine chemicals, as well as machineries for processing of lac. The Quality Evaluation Laboratory, equipped with the modern sophisticated instrumentation, offers services to processing industries for quality evaluation of lac, resins, gums and lac-based products for domestic and overseas markets. The pilot plants of the division showcase the technical feasibility of select institute technologies for commercial adoption. a network project at IINRG with 6 centers located at resin and gum producing and processing areas across the country, is a concerted research effort on harvesting, processing and value addition of natural resins and gums. For technologies to be relevant, they should reach the end users. The Transfer of Technology Division of the Institute is engaged in this very activity of assessment, refinement and dissemination of Institute technologies. The division carries out market research and collection of production statistics. It studies production economics and impact assessment of lac and allied resins and gums. The division also conducts structured and customized training programs for farmers, unemployed youth and officials from government and non-government organizations, which has contributed significantly to human resource development in the sector. The division also provides information, advisory and consultancy services to stakeholders of the enterprise. The LAC Museum is a unique window showcasing the versatility of the product to raise general awareness of this economically important and versatile product. Samples of LAC collected from all over the world are a special point of attraction of the museum. With technological interventions and extension support provided by the Institute, the farmers are able to achieve higher productivity and enhance sustainability in lac production on all major lac host trees. The Institute has been playing a proactive role in promoting Kusmi lac production on Bear during winter season. This has led to substantial growth in the share of superior quality Kusmi lac to the country's overall lac production scenario in recent years. Flamingia senialata, a quick-growing bushy host plant developed by the Institute, is gaining popularity for Kusmi lac production on plantation scale. The Institute is now assigning priority for judicial management of natural resources and development of integrated farming system models. Moisture conservation through mulching was found very effective in early establishment of Bear and enhanced winter lac production under rain-fed condition. The Institute has identified biopesticides and environmentally safer newer pesticides for lac pest management. The Institute conducts regular interactions with farmers at field level for technological empowerment. Several extension and training programs are conducted in collaboration with the state government.
লাহিতে মানে কোটি ফায়দা হয়েছিল, মানে অনেক ফায়দা হয়েছিল। তার মানে অনেক কিছু চাষ করি ওইটাতে ফায়দা নাই। এইটাতে লাহিতে মানে আরো লাগাইতে পারবো, ওতে বেশি টাকা পয়সা হয়, আরো যে মানে করব এটাতে। মানে অনেক কিছু আলু লাগাইতে ওটা লাভ হচ্ছে না, ধানেরও তো লাভ হচ্ছে না, এটা তো জল দিতে হচ্ছে না।
Scientists, entrepreneurs interfaces are a regular feature at the Institute to promote entrepreneurship in the area of lac products and byproducts. With a multidisciplinary approach and a diversified mandate, IINRG is fast emerging as leader in the field of natural resins and gums. India's global leadership in production, processing and export of lac is due to several technological interventions from this institute. With highly skilled manpower and state-of-art facilities, the institute is poised for a leap in the future, working for growers and the industry alike. The institute is striving for sustained physical, economic and environmental security of people engaged in production and processing of natural resins and gums. With impact of climate change gripping the nation's agricultural production and sustainability, new challenges have emerged for sustained production and utilization of this bounty of nature. IINRG is alive to the changed needs of the country and is marching ahead with commitment and dedication. Prosperity has silently crept in, but there is no room for complacency. Many more milestones are yet to be achieved.